Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how you can process historical data. Let's go to contacts. You can see that we have 8 contacts in total. These contacts were created before we set up our extension, so they are considered historical data. You can also see that the mailing latitude field is not populated. This means these records have not been processed with our extension yet. Now let's go to Marketplace. Then go to Installed. Click on Settings for Google Address Toolkit for Zoho CRM. Now click on Historical Data. Keep in mind that you need to have settings configured for the module you want to process data for. When you install the extension, contacts, leads, and accounts are already set up by default. This means these 3 modules already have settings configured. But for any other module, such as deals or a custom module, you need to create the settings first. Then you can process historical data for that module. Now click on Bulk Process. Click on Module. We are going to select Contacts. For Custom View, I am selecting All Contacts. You can also create a custom view if you want to apply conditions and process only specific records. Now click Save. The process is now in progress. In the meantime, keep in mind that you should not process too many records at once. Once your Google API limit is reached, additional usage may start costing money. So make sure you monitor your API limits and process your data accordingly. Now let's wait and come back once the data processing is completed. Alright, as you can see, the status is completed and the data has been processed. Let's go back to the Contacts module. Now we expect the mailing latitude field to be populated. Some records were not populated because they did not have any address data. If we open those records, we can see that the mailing address fields are empty. Now, if we open the records that had address data and click on the Address Toolkit button, we can see the map view populated properly. The address data has been populated from the Google Address suggestions.